Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today is 20th October 2025. We are loading our complete unit of hammer mill to India. As you can see that this hammer mill with a 110 kilowatt electric motor. The capacity for this hammer mill is 4 to 5 tons per hour. This hammer mill we fit with 96 pieces of hammers, and the 2 sieves we fit with 3 millimeters holes. This is a complete unit of hammer mill with a main machine with a 30 kilowatt fan blower and a cyclone airlock and a pneumatic dust collector. The main advantage of our hammer mill is high efficiency working, multifunctional use, and clean working with the pneumatic dust collector. With this hammer mill, you can grind your materials like wood chips, agriculture straw, groundnut shell, or waste paper, any kind of materials to grind with this machine to small powder material. And after this hammer mill working, usually the powder material can be used for pellet making. All right. If you have any interest in Longze hammer mill, please send your requirement to our team. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.